Hello friends, how are you? Hoping that all of you will be fine. So welcome to Rajni classes. Today I am before you with a topic wetlands. This topic is very important for environmental science student, entrance examination, UPSC examination as well as helpful examination. This includes subtopics like wetlands, their definitions, types of wetlands, Ramsar conventions, and many more recent topics. As we know, wetlands are very much important for us as it provide a wide range of important resources and ecosystems benefits like food, fiber, and water, etc. So let's start the topic. What is wetland? In the scientific view, wetlands are transitional areas between terrestrial and open water system. In legal view, wetlands are discrete units subject to regulatory jurisdiction. So the wetland are basically the transition zone between the terrestrial ecosystem. If this is the terrestrial ecosystem, this is the aquatic ecosystem. So the intermediate zone between this is called wetlands. According to FWS, that is the Fish and Wildlife Services, wetland are land transitional between terrestrial, as I discussed you, and aquatic system where the water table is usually at or near the surface or the land is covered by shallow water. There are three attributes are important to identifying wetlands. These are the presence of hydrophytes, hydric soils, saturated or inundated surfaces. The wetland is an ecosystem that arises when inundation by water produces soil dominated by anaerobic processes, which in turn forces the biota, particularly rooted plants, to adapt to flooding. The Ramsar site is wetland site designated to be the international importance under the Ramsar Convention. So under the Ramsar Convention, Ramsar site is a wetland site and that type of wetland site that have some international importance. This Ramsar Convention is an intergovernmental treaty that provides the framework for national action and international cooperation for the conservation and wise use of wetlands and their resources. Ramsar Convention have also defined wetlands. According to Ramsar Convention, wetlands are the areas of marsh, peatlands, fen or water, whether natural or artificial, permanent or temporary, with water that is static or flowing, fresh, brackish or salt, including areas of marine water and depth of which at low tide doesn't exceed 6 meter. So these are important points of wetland convention, and definition according to wetland convention is according to recent data, 2020 data, number of contracting parties under Ramsar Convention is 171. Number of wetlands of international importance is 2390, and means internationally there are 2319 wetlands are of internationally important, and number of contracting parties of 171. So total surface of designated site for wetland is 253,875,582 hectare. That means 253 lakhs hectare surface area under the wetland side. There, the Ramsar Convention worked with the joint collaboration with IUCN, that is the International Union for Conservation of Resources, BirdLife International, IWMI, that is the International Water Management Institute, Wetlands International, Wildfowl, and Wetland Trust. The Ramsar site, there are total 9 criteria come under the Ramsar site, and this can be subdivided into the group A and Group and many other more. Now come on the classification of wetlands. Wetlands can broadly be classified into natural type of wetlands and man-made type of wetlands. So there are coastal and inlands, floodplains, swamp marshes, mangrove and deltas are